So in the yesterday lecture, we have studied the two approaches of JDBC. The first was, can you list the name? What was the first approach?
So DNS approach.
DNS or DSN?
DSN, sorry.
This is DSN approach. Okay. And what was the second approach?
Yes, DNS approach.
DSN less approach.
Yes, sir.
So I have told you the benefit of DSN approach and the benefit of DSN less approach. So as I already told you that Java doesn't provide the driver for their updated version for DSN approach. Means you can say Java have removed that approach from its upgraded version. So we have to use DSN less approach. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
So as I already told you, suppose if you want to create your web application, if you want to create your console application, or if you want to create your Windows application, for every kind of application, JDBC remains same. Okay. Suppose if you want to create the applications, means front end. If we talk about the front end, if you want to create your front end by the Java, then you can create the console application. That I also covered in the yesterday lecture. Whether you are going to create your console application or Windows application or web application, or even in the case of mobile application, the JDBC remains same. The steps of JDBC will remain same. And for any kind of application, step of JDBC. Suppose these are some basic steps of JDBC, which I am going to tell you sooner. Suppose step 1, step 2, step 3. For what? For JDBC. JDBC. It will remain same for any kind of application. You may change your application, but the step of JDBC will remain same. So what are these steps? So here you can see the steps of JDBC. So as I already told you in the last lecture, this first you have to create your front end, and then you have to create your back end, and then you have to make the connection between the front end and the back end. ये किसी का माइक है, थोड़ा ऑफ कर लो इसे. First step ये है, you have to import java.sql package. By importing the java.sql package, you are able to use all the required classes and interfaces which are going to be used for the database connectivity. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, this next step is that what was our second approach? मैं यहाँ पे ड्रॉ भी कर दे रहा हूँ एक बार फिर से. That was our second approach. That first, this is Java application, this is JDBC driver, this is native driver, and this is database. That was basically our second approach. In second approach, you have to create the Java application. In Java application, you have to create the JDBC driver. and this is your database driver, which is called native drivers, and this is your basically the database. Database means backend. ये हमारी सेकेंड अप्रोच थी. इसमें आप क्या करोगे, आपको जावा एप्लीकेशन में JDBC ड्राइवर डालने होंगे. JDBC ड्राइवर कनेक्ट करेंगे नेटिव डेटाबेस के ड्राइवर से, और नेटिव ड्राइवर इज गोइंग टू बी कनेक्ट विद द डेटाबेस, and database will again connect in the redirection from the native director. Native director will respond to the JDBC driver, and JDBC will respond to the Java application. That was the second approach, for which we are going to create the programs. Not exactly the program. First, we have to learn what are the basic steps of JDBC in such kind of approach. So the first step was you have to import your package, and second approach is you have to load the driver. You have to load the JDBC drivers. Now thing is that how you can load the JDBC driver. So there are the syntax for loading the JDBC driver. First of all, you have to write class. This is not a keyword by which you are usually create the class. In such kind of creation, this keyword is also used, but the keyword which I am going to use in the JDBC is not that keyword. So I am going to take class. See very carefully. Here C is capital, and for class creation वहां पे क्या सी है, स्मॉल है, वो कीवर्ड है. और ये से आप समझ सकते हो कि ये एक क्लास का ही नाम है. दिस इज अ क्लास इन इटसेल्फ. सो हियर the name which you have taken class is a predefined class by which you have to call a method for name. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So you have to call the for name method by the instance of a class. So how you can load the JDBC driver basically. So here are the driver. Suppose if you are working with the Oracle, then you have to load Oracle driver with JDBC. Listen very carefully. Java has provided all kind of drivers for all kind of databases. Suppose if you want to connect the Oracle as a database with your Java application, then you have to load the driver which Java provided you for the Oracle only. If you want to connect your database with SQL Server, then Java has provided you Java's driver for SQL Server only. And if you want to connect with the DB2, then Java provided the JDBC driver for DB2. Means JDBC driver means Java has provided you separate drivers for separate databases. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So suppose if you want to connect with the Oracle, then you have to load the Oracle drivers. If you want to connect with the SQL Server, then you have to load the SQL Server driver. And listen very carefully, this is not a native driver. This is basically Java's driver. This is called JDBC driver.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, DB2 driver, similarly MS Access driver, similarly MySQL driver. So we will use MySQL driver for connecting our Java application to the MySQL. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
So here I am only explaining the steps. When we will go for the coding part, then we will use the exact driver. So here actually I am trying to make you used to about the steps which are involved in the JDBC database connectivity. यहाँ पे मैं आपको सिर्फ स्टेप सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि कौन कौन से स्टेप्स होंगे जो आपको परफॉर्म करने होंगे। ठीक, ड्राइवर लोड हो गया। आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू मेक द कनेक्शन। देखो सेकंड स्टेप हमने कर लिया इसका, किसका, ये आर्किटेक्चर में देखो, सी दी आर्किटेक्चर। द फर्स्ट अप you have to create the Java application, you have to load the JDBC driver, and then you have to connect with the database. थर्ड इसमें कौन सा बना हुआ है, रेक्टेंगल। थर्ड रेक्टेंगल है
Native drivers.
नेटिव ड्राइवर्स, और बीच में क्या बने हुए हैं, एरो।
Yes,
तो
sir.
नेटिव ड्राइवर्स और किसके बीच में कनेक्शन हो रहा है, JDBC के।
JDBC driver.
तो you have to connect your database through the native drivers to the JDBC driver.
Yes, sir.
तो आपको JDBC ड्राइवर से कनेक्ट होना है, करना है क्या, डेटाबेस का नेटिव ड्राइवर। सो मींस आपको एक कनेक्शन बनाना होगा। अब जावा के ड्राइवर आपने लोड कर लिए हैं, अब आपको कनेक्शन बनाना है किसके साथ, डेटाबेस के साथ। सो हाउ यू कैन मेक द कनेक्शन, फॉर मेकिंग द कनेक्शन जावा हैज प्रोवाइडेड द इंटरफेसेस। बेसिकली यू कैन ट्रीट इट एज अ क्लास like connection. You can create the object con is equals to there is a class driver manager dot get connection. Here you have to make the connection with the database. So here you can use the name of database,
Database.
ठीक है। Here you can the मैं इसे थोड़ा सा नीचे कर ले रहा हूँ जिससे आपको दिखाई दे। जस्ट वेट, मैं स्क्रीन एडजस्ट कर लूँ थोड़ी अभी। ये है आपका, मैं इस लाइन को दोबारा लिख रहा हूँ क्योंकि पेंट में यूज कर रहा हूँ, तो एक बार लिखने के बाद अगर कर्सर चला गया तो ये कांट मॉडिफाई। तो इस लाइन को मैं दोबारा लिख रहा हूँ, कनेक्शन को। सो फॉर मेकिंग कनेक्शन, simple, you have to make the object of connection, then you have to call a driver manager class, driver manager से you have to call a method get connection। इस चीज को समझ लो, जब आप ड्राइवर मैनेजर से गेट कनेक्शन कॉल करोगे, अब ड्राइवर मैनेजर कहाँ पे है, ड्राइवर मैनेजर रिलेट कर रहा है किसे, ऊपर वाले ड्राइवर को। अभी मैं इसे लिख लूं फिर मैं आपको कनेक्शन समझाता हूँ। गेट कनेक्शन मीन्स आपको डेटाबेस से कनेक्शन बनाना है। तो हियर यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड द पाथ ऑफ द डेटाबेस along with name of database, ठीक है, along with username and password of database. Suppose if your database is password restricted, then you have to provide username and password for accessing the database. Without providing username password, you cannot access the database if your database is secure with username और and password। देखो होता क्या है कि कुछ डेटाबेस में जैसे ओरेकल हो गया, एसक्यूएल सर्वर हो गया, हम जब डेटाबेस को यूज करते हैं तो हम पासवर्ड डालते हैं उसके अंदर, जिससे कोई अनऑथराइज्ड पर्सन एक्सेस ना कर ले।
Yes, sir. Yes,
तो यहाँ भी आप कहाँ घुस रहे हो, डेटाबेस के अंदर।
yes, sir.
आप यहाँ भी अपने प्रोग्राम के थ्रू किसके अंदर घुसना चाह रहे हो, हियर यू वांट टू एक्सेस
Data.
द डेटाबेस थ्रू योर
Yes, sir.
program. So
Yes, sir.
ultimately you want to access the database, and your database is password protected. Without giving user and password, neither you can access your database nor your program can access your database.
Yes, sir.
Simple. So you have to provide the username as password in the program also. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
तो जब आप ये दे दोगे ना, मीन्स आपने क्या दे दिया, यूजरनेम एंड पासवर्ड। सपोज आपका डेटाबेस पासवर्ड प्रोटेक्टेड है, तो चाहे आप एक्सेस करो या आपका प्रोग्राम एक्सेस करे, दोनों को यूजरनेम पासवर्ड देना पड़ेगा। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
अब दूसरा देखो, इस स्ट्रक्चर को गौर से समझो। नेट JDBC ड्राइवर इज लिंक्ड विद नेटिव ड्राइवर्स। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
तो
Okay.
similarly you can see here we have loaded the driver. Basically in the first step we used to load the driver of the JDBC. by using class dot for name. So here you can say that you have loaded the driver.
Okay.
Acha, on behalf of this driver or on the basis of this driver, you are making the connection.
Yes, sir.
You are making the connection on which on which driver which you have loaded just now. You have loaded that driver, and on this particular driver, you are making the connections. So this driver manager class is basically indicates the driver which you have loaded recently. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ पे ये जो ड्राइवर मैनेजर आपने क्लास ली है, ये इसके लिए ली है, ऊपर आपने ड्राइवर जो लोड किया है, उस लोडिंग उस ड्राइवर पे आप कनेक्शन बना रहे हो. So you are making the connection on loaded driver. Should I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that was basically your first step, and that was your second step. And in the third step, now you have make the connection. You have load the driver, you have make the connection. Then suppose what will happen if you are going to make a friendship with anyone, with someone. You want to make a friendship. Suppose your name is A, and you want to make friendship with Mr. B. Then what the step which you will follow? First, you have a desire that okay, I want to make a friendship with Mr. B. First,
Yes, sir.
you have a desire. यार मेरे को इससे दोस्ती करनी है, ये इच्छा आपकी होनी चाहिए. Okay.
Yes, sir.
तो आपने सबसे पहले इच्छा थी आपकी, यू हैव लोडेड द ड्राइवर. ठीक है, आपने ड्राइवर लोड कर लिया दिमाग में कि यार यस आई वांट टू मेक द दोस्ती विद दैट मिस्टर बी. सो यू हैव लोडेड द ड्राइवर फॉर मेकिंग द दोस्ती. नाउ अच्छा दिमाग में अच्छा आ गई. नाउ यू हैव अ डिजायर दैट आई वांट टू make a friendship with Mr. B. Then what should be the next step?
Connection
You
between
have
A and B.
you have to make connection with Mr. B.
Yes, sir.
Connection, maybe you may meet him physically, or you may
Talk.
ask the phone number, or you may ask his address. So ultimately
Yes, sir.
you have to make connection for the friendship. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you have make the connection, you have an address, you have a phone number of Mr. B. Now what should be the third step? आपके मन में
Then-
दोस्ती की इच्छा हो गई, आपने उसका फोन नंबर ले लिया या उसका एड्रेस ले लिया.
कॉल करेंगे
अब बात करोगे आप, चाहे वो मिल के बात करो या फोन पे बात करो. नाउ यू हैव टू मेक कन्वर्सेशन, यू हैव टू स्टार्ट कन्वर्सेशन.
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So similarly you have to make a statement. You have to make statements, means you have to start conversation. Start conversation with the database. So बिल्कुल जैसे हमारी लाइफ में होता है वैसे प्रोग्रामिंग में भी होता है. तो थर्ड स्टेप है, वी हैव टू मेक कनेक्शन. नाउ फॉर द वी हैव टू स्टार्ट कन्वर्सेशन. फॉर स्टार्टिंग द कन्वर्सेशन, अब किससे आप कन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हो? विद द डेटाबेस.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, आप ऐसे आदमी को जो सिर्फ इंग्लिश जानता है, सपोज इफ यू वांट टू मेक फ्रेंडशिप विद एरिस, देन यू हैव टू कम्युनिकेट ओनली इन इंग्लिश.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sure, sir.
And Aris, if you want to make a friendship with Manvar or any else student, Indian student, then you have to communicate in Hindi.
Not possible, sir.
If we talk in standard,
Yes.
okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what the language is for database? Which language is used for the database? In the same manner, if you want to make the conversation with the database, then which language you have to follow? This is called structured query language.
SQL. Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Okay. With the help of SQL, you can make the conversation with the database. Means you have to make some query. In the form of query, you can start the communication with the database. Is it or not?
Yes,
Awesome.
absolutely.
Okay. So for writing the query, Java provided you class, prepared statement,
A statement.
hmm, and statement. Either you can use this class or you can use this class. This class is basically for dynamic kind of operation, dynamic operation, and this class is basically for static operation. Although now in the new version of Java, you can take any of class for any kind of operation, but I am talking about the basics. So first
Okay, sir.
understand the basics of these two
Okay, sir.
classes. If you want to perform some dynamic operation, like if you want to perform some insert operation, delete operation, update operation, then you have to use the prepared statement. If you want to
Delete update.
make the conversation in the dynamic manner, suppose if you want to insert some data into the database, or if you
Delete.
want to delete some data from the database, and if you want to update the data, then you have to use prepared statement. Or if you want to only read the data, only access the data, then you have to use the statement class.
Statement.
Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Or if you are, suppose I am going with prepared statement, if you will go, and one thing more, for with prepared statement you can also use read operations. So any kind of work you can done with prepared statement. So prepared statement is the ideal class for performing any kind of operation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
for suppose if you want to write the prepared statement, for writing the query you need these classes. These classes basically contains the query. So for writing query, because without writing query, you cannot start the conversation with the database. So if you want to write the query, then you have to write the query into that classes. How you can write the query? Suppose I'm writing, suppose I have to, not suppose, you have to create the object of that class first. So prepared statement. Now PST is equals to con dot prepare
Statement.
prepare statement. Now see here, you have to perform some operation, some query on which
Sir,
database.
prepare.
नहीं, इधर prepared होगा, इधर prepare होगा. This is the method and that is the class.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
देखो अभी यहाँ पे बहुत गौर से सुनना. आपको कन्वर्सेशन शुरू करना है डेटाबेस में.
Yes, sir.
किस डेटाबेस में कन्वर्सेशन शुरू करना है? जिससे कनेक्शन बनाया.
Yes, sir.
Aris,
Yes, sir.
I'm going to ask you a question. Suppose you have a two connection.
Okay, sir.
I have made a one connection, and suppose you can make multiple connection with the multiple databases. So in same manner you have made a two connection. Okay, you have made a
Okay.
two connection. One connection is stored in the con object, which is written in the second statement, and similarly you have made
Okay.
another connection that has been written in the con 2. You can assume that there are another statement same as statement number 2. Connection con 2 is equals to driver manager dot get connection. So you can assume that there are two connection statements. One is con and second is con 1. So here
Okay.
you have to choose for which connection you have to perform that query, or on which connection you have to perform query. Is it clear? कि भाई दो कनेक्शन है आपके पास, दो डेटाबेसेस से लिंक है, तो किस डेटाबेस पे आपको ये ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करना है. You want to perform operation on which database? In this case you have a two databases. One is con connection 1 and second is connection 2. Is it clear or not? Every connection contains the database, as you can see in the last of second statement.
Yes, sir.
Path, name of databases. See here. After the path, I have written name of database before the username and password.
Yes,
आपको
sir.
clear हो रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you have made a connection con, and similarly you have made connection to. So in the both the string, in the both the statement, you have to supply the name of database.
Sir,
रुको मैं टर्मिनेट कर रहा हूँ इसे, मैं ये बता रहा हूँ, ये जो आपने लिया ना डेटाबेस का नाम, here you have taken the name of database in
yes,
connection
sir. Yes,
1.
sir.
सपोज सिमिलरली अगर यहाँ पे एक दूसरा कनेक्शन भी होता, सपोज इसका
Yes,
नाम अगर
exactly.
होता, इसका अगर नाम होता मान लो माय डेटा 1, और ऐसे ही आपने दूसरा एक कनेक्शन बनाया होता, कनेक्शन कॉन टू, ये पूरी लाइन ऐसी में लिख रहा हूँ,
Yes, sir.
बस यहाँ पे आपने क्या किया होता, माय डेटा 2. Now you can understand easily. So suppose now you have a two connection. Connection 1
Yes, sir.
contain connection 1 with my data, and connection
Yes,
2
sir.
with my data 2.
My data too.
Then you have to supply the connection object with the prepared statement. Yeah, sorry, not here. You have to call the prepared statement either by con object or by con to object.
Okay.
देखो इससे क्या हुआ, क्योंकि आप प्रिपेयर्ड स्टेटमेंट से क्या करोगे, इसके अंदर आप क्वेरी लिखोगे,
Yes,
इसके
yes,
अंदर
yes,
क्या आप
sir.
क्या लिखोगे, क्वेरी. अब
Yes,
ये
sir.
आपसे ये पूछा जाएगा कि ये जो क्वेरी लिख रहे हो ये कौन से डेटाबेस पे एग्जीक्यूट होगी. द क्वेरी व्हिच यू आर गोइंग टू राइट will perform on which database, either on database 1 or in database 2. So this
So
is
database.
basically depend upon the object by which you are calling the prepared statement.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this example, you are actually calling your prepared statement method by con to object.
Yes, sir.
इस केस में आप कनेक्शन टू ऑब्जेक्ट से प्रिपेयर स्टेटमेंट मेथड कॉल कर रहे हो. इसका मतलब
Yes,
अब
sir.
ये जो क्वेरी है ये किस में एग्जीक्यूट होगी,
Sir, my
ये
data too.
एग्जीक्यूट
में.
होगी माय डेटा 2 में,
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे.
Yes, sir.
और अगर आपने इसके अंदर क्वेरी लिखोगे
तो ये
ठीक
my
है?
data 1.
हाँ, तो ये जो एग्जीक्यूट होगी आपकी क्वेरी, मैं कलर चेंज कर लूं इसके लिए समझने के लिए आपको, तो ये जो क्वेरी एग्जीक्यूट होगी ये होगी आपके माय डेटा 1 में. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So that was basically our fourth steps. You have to make the connection. What the query? Which type of work you want to perform? Either insert, delete, or something else. We will understand in the program. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here we have learned our 5 steps. Now, the 5th step is you have to execute the query. After writing, you have to execute this query.
Yes, sir.
ये आपका 5th स्टेप हो गया कि भाई ठीक है आपने क्वेरी भी लिख ली, अब आपको इसे एग्जीक्यूट कराना है. ठीक, जब क्वेरी एग्जीक्यूट हो जाए तो 6 पॉइंट हुआ, 6th स्टेप. नाउ क्लोज द कनेक्शन. नाउ क्लोज द कनेक्शन. बस ये हो गया आपका जेडीबीसी. ये 6 स्टेप होते हैं जेडीबीसी के जो आपको परफॉर्म करते हैं. These are basics 6 steps of JDBC which you have to perform in any kind of operation, either in the static operation or in the dynamic operation. And what kind of operation you want to perform, you have to write these 6 steps. कुछ भी आप करो आपको ये 6 स्टेप लिखने पड़ेंगे. एक बार फिर से रिवाइज कर ले रहे. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू लोड द जेडीबीसी ड्राइवर.
सर फर्स्ट स्टेप है क्लास फॉर नेम होगा या NAM ओनली?
ये नेम होगा, मेरे से लिखने से रह गया. दिस इज नेम.
Yes, sir.
तो फर्स्ट स्टेप यू हैव टू लोड द ड्राइवर. सेकंड स्टेप यू हैव टू मेक द कनेक्शन.
Yes, sir.
थर्ड स्टेप यू हैव टू स्टार्ट द कन्वर्सेशन.
Yes, sir.
And conversation will be in the form of query.
Yes, sir.
And query should be written under the prepared statement or statement. In normally cases, we used a prepared statement class because with the help of prepared statement, you can perform any kind of operation. So we will go with prepared statement for writing our query. So first we have to decide on which database we have to perform our query. So
Yes, sir.
So you have to call your prepared statement method by connection object of connection class. Connection class object is that which contain the database. Suppose if you have a two connection class, con 1, con 2. So you have to decide on which database you are going to perform your query. So by
Yes, sir.
that particular object, you have to call the prepared statement method. After calling the prepared statement method, you have to execute your query. And after executing query, you have to close the connection. Don't forget to close the connection in any kind of situation, because if you not close the connection, your database will remain open, and any hacker can enter in your database easily and can hack your data.
Okay, sir.
So closing the connection is mandatory for any kind of database operation. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So अभी next इसके आगे हम start अभी इसके आगे पढ़ेंगे कि how we can write the program of database connectivity. Okay.